Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a pin to a board. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on the screen, you can see there's Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved option. You can create a board from that Create option or go to Saved and find your pins. Open the pin, then all you have to do is go to bottom of your screen and tap on Saved or Profile. Either way, it's gonna take you to this interface. Then all you have to do is select already existing board or you can create a new board. I'm gonna select the existing board, tap on it. There you go. That's how you save your pin to your board. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.